Dipped in chocolate vlogs are fire. Dipped in chocolate vlogs eat. Dipped in chocolate vlogs are the best. Period.
Follow Dipped in Chocolate on her socials.
Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video with a girl dipped in chocolate. Don't watch this for my lip. My lip get cut. I know it's a heel, so that's what's on there. So welcome and welcome back. I'm trying to vlog as much as possible. Today we are going shopping. So we are at Tanger. Tanger is basically a shopping center, a mall, like, yeah. So we have a lot of things here, guys. I really wanted a dress in Tommy Hilfiger, but I think it's like $20. Like I really want it. I'm gonna think about it. Like I'm gonna get some other stuff, and then I'm going to go back and see if I really want it, because it's so cute. It's like the straight dress. It's like, you know, the polo dress them, yeah, something like that, but it's Tommy Hilfiger, and it come in this beautiful soft pink color that hits every time, guys. Is this I have new hairstyle now? Yeah, I did my hair yesterday. Like my hair was looking so terrible, so I had to do it because trust, I am a hot girl, and if you don't say a hat, nobody not gonna say a hat, and me know my hat. So I had to get my hair done because it was not fitting the aesthetics of me. It's not fitting my aura. You feel me? Ladies, get your hair done. Even if your nails don't done, or you don't know if your makeup or nothing, as if your hair do, you maybe can put on a little lash, your face will come right together. Right now we're passing Express factory outlet. But now nothing for buy over this one. They're having a sale though, so if you guys are seeing it and you're in Alabama, check it out, honey. Check it out, honey. Alright, so let's get this dough. So I just went into a perfume store to look. I should have brought you guys in there with me, but I just go look in there because I know I'm not buying nothing. $100? Come on, be for real. I'm not pay for nothing. $100. It's supposed to be a gift. I'm just a girl. I'm just a girl. So we're coming up on Old Navy and American Eagle. So let's see what they in a American Eagle. So we have them man jeans are for $18. Them female jeans are for $30. I say them look on there, see. Of course, people say man clothes cheaper than woman clothes. I came in here before and I saw something that I really liked. I think it was a shirt. I might tell you, say guys, I love the shirts, and then I realized the shirts are $20. Over here is the men's section. Men's come in, but men's. Man, come and get your underpants. I'm not gonna buy anything in here, but I really wanted to come and look because in here is a vibe, honey. It's really a vibe. This is my OOT of the day. My shoes is from, my slippers is from Nike. My bag is from, I think it's Temu. My romper is from Shein. Yeah, them Oh, American Eagle. Oh, I'm going into Aeropostale now to take a look. But I doubt I'm gonna buy anything. They're having a sale, yeah, but I don't see the sale. So this is Aeropostale. Let me show you guys. So hi, how are you? So we're having a buy one get one sale. Let's see how much one of them here. Basically. Okay, thank you. So this is $70. This nice Manala. $70. Sorry. So this is a 60% off sale. It's basically $50. See, I'm not see the sale. You do a brand still, a brand, so we can't complain. This is nice. This is giving airport type of vibe. How much is this? Basically $50. To be honest, the reason why I came in here is to check out their perfume, because their perfume cheap. $9 for the mirror. Like, I love that for me. I love that for me. This is the strawberry cream. Smells so freaking good, guys. I know coconut smell like coconut. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna buy 2 of these. I buy 2 of them. Yep. I just made this first purchase of the day, which is from Aeropostale. So because Aeropostale, they have a 75% sale going on. So if you guys are in Alabama or anywhere that have an Aeropostale outlet, go check them out. So guys, the infamous Clark store. Like, I went into this Clark. I came over here before, guys. And the Clark store now go with no Clark, so that weird. To be honest, you can get 2 for $100. Like, there's nothing where we Jamaicans would wear. So I'm never go in the go show now. We're not going to go show. We're gonna check out Old Navy, even though I doubt we have anything there that I want. As I said, everything is having sale, but I don't see the sale. You know? So we'll go right round and see what's going on. Also, see Puma there right there. So if you can see, Puma have a sale. Like, I can see the sale in Puma. I see Puma have shoes for like $40 and then money there. Yeah, but me don't want to Puma shoes because I have shoes that I don't even wear. So I can't buy no more shoes or it's gonna go sell me, because I think I have to go give away some of the things that Mama have. Because, child, I am over consuming. And thanks to God, so I can have things on my diva wear and have things where me feel like somebody just need to let them go, because, you know, one time I never said it go. But we just thank God, say, and we have the last laugh right now. If you wanna get what me I say. Yeah man, God has been so good to me. So good. So as I said, this is Old Navy. We're not gonna buy anything from Old Navy, but we're going to see what's in there. Oh. We're gonna see what's in there. Oh, $8. Forgot to them have some $8 shirts, you know. Can buy 2 of them here. What do you think? Yeah man, we can buy 2 of them. So yeah, I just got these two tops for $8 per top. Oh, these are expensive. These are like $50. They look really good though. Yeah. Clearance. What is clearance to Uno? $6. Nah, not worth it, honey. Sorry guys, it's just facts. Like, come on, be fucking for real. Why would I sell me something like that for something that's so much money? You can get it on cheap for so much less. Don't do that, honey. So let me show you this. So $5 for them here. I really like them. I feel like I'm gonna get one for myself, especially this color. This color is really, really pretty. So let me see what I think about it. So our second purchase is from Old Navy. So AirPods on Old Navy. Because I'm looking for the sales, guys. Like, how not so I have sale, I'm not saying nothing for sale money. Like, come on, I'm not gonna go into your store if I don't see the sale money. Because it's sale time. Because I think the more soon Halloween and Christmas time, so they're going to be selling out the stuff for cheaper than it usually be sold for, right? And I want to see that, right? So I'm just get two purchases so far. So let's go. Yeah. So guys, I am literally in love with this store. I think it is this, and I'm not sure. I'm going to look and see if it is this store that I went in, and I absolutely loved it. Yes, it is. Oh my god, is it three? Is it three for $16? Three for freaking $16. That is a freaking sale, and I absolutely love these. Like, these are really nice. So I'm gonna check them out and then let Makhalia know, because this is a sale. You dig? Wanna dig? With pockets. Oh, this is not nowhere. What should I tell me? So guys, I'm here like I'm there for like more than 20 minutes. This is the longest I've been in a store since I did a shopping vlog. Because me I try to figure out what I'm supposed to wear. Like, more pair something together and make it look fire. But I'm not see the vibe I want. You understand? So man, I feel like maybe I'll just come back. I never want to left the store and buy nothing, you know, because the fuck. But I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna have to come back. So guys, I have to go back to the store. But I'm going to Burlington brands. Burlington never miss. They're so affordable. They're so affordable, and the things them actually look good. Cause what am I buy from Burlington? I buy a couple things from Burlington so they seem weird. Cause Burlington is really good. Like, cheap. I'm sure to say cheap. See, as a coming SEASHELL, cheap man. Cheap. Burlington, one Burlington, never two. Watch out, $4. $4, you know guys, $4 freaking dollars. This is really good. Never find nothing in a Burlington. Like, I was so hyped for nothing. I find like in a TJ Maxx. Not TJ Maxx, like guys. I'm looking at TJ Maxx. That's why I'm saying TJ Maxx. But I didn't find anything in Burlington. I'm so vexed. So this is a different side. Also, we have Gap over here. I'm definitely going over Gap, even though I know they're gonna be expensive ASF. But I got TJ Maxx. Go look what going over there, and whatever. Over there's somewhere for the kitties. So y'all with cocomelons, come over here with your cocomelon. TJ Maxx, okay. Yeah. If I'm coming here, I'm realize it doesn't smell good. Yeah man, in a dear. Not expensive. I'm not smell it. Smell the expensiveness in here. I'm going to take my liquor. I'm going to take myself. And come out of the people and place. I can't bother, but I feel like I just want to buy one thing in here. I'm going to look for the cheapest thing I'm buying here because I'm going to take up cards and everything, you know. Because my sister sale out of front. Sale no blow. I buy one thing though. Look for the cheapest thing I'm buying. Something I actually want. I'm buy it. Yeah. Like, I don't know what cheaper foreign. I don't know if I the wrong foreign me there. Because people that say, yeah, things cheaper for a lie them I tell you. Lie them I tell. Not cheaper, not even food.
Don't you think, because last time when I went like 11:45, it was so busy.
Yeah, as expected, I don't see anything that I like. I saw one dress that I think it's like $20 for it. $20? Is it at $20 or $16? I may tell her say it's so pretty. Like I may or may not come back for it. That I love walk around, look for the things then come back for it. Because it's so pretty, like it would sit down on your girl. So I might come back for it, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm going to Gap go look and see what I can get from Gap. On to the next store, guys. Route 21, please do not fail me, because everything I fail me. May I go over Starbucks, go buy something, buy one drink. I was thinking about going over Polar Ralph, but it don't make no sense to go over Ralph Lauren because I ain't go buy shit. Okay. It closed, you know? Lockdown, look like it lockdown, or it closed for today. Because I was trying to go in there and it not open. So I guess it closed. Alright, ladies. Forever 21 for you, honey. What? Oh. Ooh. I did see some things that I could have purchased, but I have a store in mind where I can get the stuff way cheaper. You know, it's all about budgeting, honey. So I could have gotten some stuff in Forever 21, but talking about cheaper, getting them cheaper. So after I go to this store, I'm just gonna go to Walmart and then head home. And when I get home, with the grace of God, I am going to the other store that I'm gonna go home and cook. So y'all will see all of that. So I always wanted a silver eels. So this has a straight eel. I don't know the type of eel called, but the eel are big like a granny eel. So I'm trying this one. So then I have the straps around it, but I'm not gonna put the straps around it. This is cutesy. Love this. the girl over. I don't even know call the store name. Never like her attitude. Sorry, but like your attitude, girl. It's not giving. So far, I'm buy 3 things. Well, not really 3 things, but I shop at 3 different stores. Or no, I go Walmart because I'm hungry. So I buy chicken to go cook. And then I'll go to the other store. So you'll see me when I'm over Walmart. Hello, so I'm in Walmart now. I am going to get milk, chicken, Oreo, oil. Yes, I remembered. So I never really shown when I get the stuff them, but this is what I'm checking out. I come here, remember I come here just for wings and aisle. What made with ice cream? Tell me what made with ice cream. I don't know my limit, man. Guys, oh my god, I wanted to stay on the $20 scale. But shit, I be spending too much. Like, I don't know my limit. Like, why I come here, come buy orange juice, I buy Oreo, I buy milk. Like, we need to go down today. So I'm going home to cook. So let's see what happens. So I'm here waiting on the drive. They have it for 5 minutes. People are going in and out. Over there. I need a car. Where you want a car, Makhalia? Anyway, nothing to do but wait. So I'm home now and I'm going to be doing barbecue wings and white rice. So let's begin. Now I'm soaking the chicken in some vinegar water, and then I'm going to wash it up again, put it in this and season it up, and then I'm going to continue with doing my rice. So this is the barbecue sauce I'm going to use. So I'm going to put some in this. Some ketchup. And I'm going to put the seasoning them in this. So I'm going to have the thyme. This is my method, guys. Always comes out good. See pimento seeds. I should crush them out now. I crush out the pimento seeds then. Because I say, sometimes pimento enough food. You know when pimento enough food. I cut up this, I slice it up. This don't have to, guys, but I want still have to put it in there. Just because I want the spice. Also, brown sugar have to go in there. Who know me at top, who know me at top. But who don't know me at top because it's at the back of the class. Big people time. Big people argument. Sugar. There's some people will put something else in it, but I'm not put that in it. Alright, I'm gonna crush out them here now. Guys, I just after this drop asleep. Like I just eat and drop asleep. The food tastes good. Today was a nice day, calm. Like guys, thank you so much for watching. Like today was actually a good day. Nothing no upset me, nothing no bother me. Except the one girl in a day place. I mean if I go say she does seem out of it. And I mean nobody not come here store lady. But thank you guys so much for watching. It was a mega start drop back some videos, so stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching.